Hello guys, today we'll learn how to prepare 1000 ppm, 100 ppm, 200 ppm or 500 ppm of lead from the iron chloride solution. So in our last videos we learned in detail about the concept of normality, molarity. Okay, so in today's video we learn how to prepare ppm solution. So usually ppm is a very small unit to denote the concentration of the ions or metals in the water solution. Okay, so for preparing the, let's suppose in today's case we are preparing 20 ppm or 50 ppm of iron from the iron chloride salt. Okay, you can see the molecular weight of the iron chloride is 162.20 gram per mole. Okay, and we know that the mass of the iron third is 55, around 55 approximately. So what we will do, I mean the mass of the iron chloride, okay, is almost equivalent to 55, meaning the whole mass of the iron chloride is almost equivalent to 55 gram of the iron. Okay, so if we divide this, it will give me a number which is 2.94 gram. So if we dissolve 2.94 gram in 1 liter of the deionized water, it would be 1000 ppm. So now we will also apply the concept of serial dilution. So we have to go from 1000 ppm to 200 ppm, which is 1/5. So we will divide by 5, which is 0.5. When we will dissolve 0.588 gram of the iron chloride salt in 1 liter, it will be 200 ppm. Simultaneously, for getting to 20 ppm, it would be divided by 50, which is 0.0588, and for 100 ppm the calculation is 0.324. Let's start preparing. Now I have weighed around 0.58 gram of the iron chloride salt. So now I will transfer this to prepare 200 ppm of the iron. Now we are done with the measurement. I already transferred the salts. Now I am going to add water, and before adding water I have also put a tag so that after the formation of the stock solution of the iron of different concentrations, we are able to differentiate. So this is a very crucial step. So let's add the water. So now after transferring the water of the required amount into the conical flask, and this is a volumetric flask. Okay, so now we will shake this overnight so that the solution is homogenized. So after shaking, the different concentration of the iron will be prepared. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.